Today we're making food, and make sure you watch till the end. Capiche? Making soup for dinner! Yay! These are all the ingredients that we need. And my family's gonna have it for iftar. And great news, a little bit, and my mom did a little bit. Look how much. And some people put it with soy sauce, but some people don't. And me and my mom likes it with soy sauce. Once we the chicken, we put the garlic. A little bit of stuff. Around a bit. I can speak another language. Spoon. And just get it. Wait a minute. Simmer it. We mix it and then we put water and then we put it in the pressure cooker. Very heavy. Make sure you have a grown-up help you, but I'm very strong, so I can do it. A little bit of pressure. And while I changed while it was cooking, and it was only for 5 minutes. Now we're ready to open it! Yay! Now we're gonna add the other ingredients like our corn and our apple slices. Kind of look like apple slices, but they're potatoes. Whoa! This looks very cool. Yum. I put a little bit of vegetables because I don't like vegetables and my mom likes vegetables. But sorry if you can hear the music. That's my brother just watching TV. Nice and colorful with the vegetables. Now we put the lid and for the last more minute, and I'm gonna turn myself, okay? Now it's ready. Now it's ready to serve. It's ready to eat. Don't mind that. Don't mind that.